How to recover Gmail account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Gmail on your device, and if you are logged into some other account, then tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and then tap on the add another account option you see there and further select the Google option. Now, tap on the continue button, and if the account that you are looking forward to recover appears on the screen, then simply tap on that, or you can then tap on the use another account option you see there if the account that you are trying to recover does not appear. You will then be required to enter your email or phone number, so go ahead and enter the email or phone number and tap on next. Tap on next again and you will see the option that says account deleted. So tap on next again in order to attempt to restore the account. You will then be required to enter the password for the account that you are trying to recover, and further, if the password that you entered for the account that you are trying to recover is correct, then with this your account will be recovered successfully. So, this is how you can recover a deleted Gmail account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.